All right, so if you're having trouble logging into Bitwarden, yeah, that can be stressful, but don't worry, I'll show you exactly how to fix it step by step. First, quick idea, login problems usually happen because of incorrect credentials, network issues, or security settings like two-factor authentication. Start by checking your email and master password. Make sure there are no typing mistakes. Also, check if caps lock is turned on or if your keyboard language is different. This is a very common issue. If you forgot your password, you'll need to use your password hint or recovery method. Just remember, Bitwarden cannot recover your master password if it's lost. If you're using two-factor authentication, make sure your authentication code is correct and hasn't expired. Next, check your internet connection. A weak connection can prevent login from working properly. You can also try logging in from a different device or browser to see if the issue is device related. On browsers, clear your cache and cookies to remove any stored errors. Make sure your app is updated to the latest version or reinstall it if needed. You should also check if Bitwarden servers are down. If they are, you'll need to wait until the issue is fixed. So yeah, by following these steps, you should be able to fix most Bitwarden login problems quickly. And if this helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. More tech fixes coming soon.